Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'll be unboxing the ADX FireSide H01 mouse bungee. For those of you who don't know what a mouse bungee is, it's a little device. It's not electrical or anything like that, not this particular one anyway. That basically holds your mouse's cable. If that's a word. I think I made up a word there, but here you go. So the purpose of such a device is to stop your mouse from tangling, and it's basically makes it a lot nicer to use your mouse. I have had one of these before, but unfortunately that broke on me. It was old. I haven't used it for quite some time because I had a wireless mouse before. So what the box does state is that it keeps your cable high and suspended. It's free to move, prevents your cable from getting in the way. So it claims a faster response as it eliminates the drag from the mouse cord to give you a faster response, and you got anti-slip as well. So obviously got weight in there or something. This is what the box book. Why am I saying book for? So this is what the box looks like, and yeah, let's get unboxing. I must admit, it looks a lot nicer than my old mouse bungee as well. And it's a lot heavier, which is a good thing. So this is what the mouse bungee looks like. A little bit closer. So your cable will go down here.
Here's a Spotify station featuring down here.
Hey Google! Hey Google! Stop! Wow, that was creepy. Okay, I think Google wanted to have a word with us in this video. So yeah, this is what it would look like. Now, from my understanding, that does extend. So let's have a look. Yes, it does, of course. So what this essentially does is, if I get my Microsoft mouse, check out the unboxing and review of this mouse. Links will be in the description. So you basically put that through here. And then the purpose of this is to make mouse movements a lot easier. I'll tell you what, it already feels a lot nicer than my old one, which is just an unbranded one. Now, these bungees are made by several companies. ADX is one of them, but if I'm not mistaken, Razer also makes one.